050. It all begins on a quiet day near Brownsville, Texas. Customs and Border Protection officers respond to an escalating situation. What looks like a routine stop is about to turn deadly. Pay close attention. The suspect's behavior is far from normal. As officers approach, things shift fast. The suspect appears uncooperative, his movements unpredictable. Officers give commands, but something isn't right. The tension in their voices says it all. They've been here before. Suddenly, a rapid escalation. Officers deploy tasers, but it doesn't go as expected. Watch closely. This isn't a clean takedown. The suspect resists with everything he has. This is why training matters.
Hey, watch him, watch him. Hey. Steer to your left, steer to your left. Hey. Did you get the bags?
In just seconds, backup arrives. Listen to the coordination, officers communicating clearly under extreme pressure. The suspect still isn't complying. They're trying to avoid lethal force, but time is running out.
On the ground. Hey, the boat. The boat. Yeah, don't worry about the boat. Did y'all get the bags? Hey, cover me. Come to this guy. Shot fired. One subject hit in the stomach. Abdomen wound. I got it. Hey, sorry. One subject hit in the stomach.
Despite multiple commands and taser attempts, the suspect continues to fight. You can hear the struggle. Heavy breathing, footsteps, commands being shouted. The danger is now real for everyone.
Oh, this is the grocery training.
Huh?
This is the grocery training.
Okay. Yeah, I'm passing out. Hey, he's shot. Hey, provide aid. Get security, provide aid. I gotta get her a gun. Cover. Hey, get him out. Hey, cover them. I'm gonna go ahead and sweep the rest of the...
Fuerte. Arrodillate nomás. Fuerte. Hace todo.
Everybody handcuff your sleeves too. Hey, I heard the boat.
Pésate aquí.
Then, one officer makes the move. They manage to pin the suspect against a barrier. The team works together, trying to end this without further violence. But the suspect refuses to go down quietly.
¿Seguro? ¿Qué traes?
Hey, I need a light. No se mueva, no se mueva, no se mueva. He came out with the gun, right? Yeah, he pulled out a firearm. Hey, no se mueva. No se mueva. Keep him on this side. It's his. Who moved the firearm? I got the firearm in my truck.
Hey, you hot? You hot? I'm hot.
Yeah, I'm hot. What else is there? What else is in here? Have you checked inside?
No. We just got the driver out. It should just be him.
No aguanto mi panza, oiga. Espéreme.
Ahorita ya viene la ambulancia para acá.
Estoy bien. Espéreme.
EMS te está en camino, ¿ok? No traigo otra armas.
¿Ustedes dos tienen armas? ¿Ustedes?
No se mueva.
It takes multiple officers and significant force to subdue him. This moment shows how chaotic real-life policing is. This isn't a movie. This is raw, real, and dangerous. Just one mistake, and someone could die.
Me chingaron, güey.
Aguanta, no te muevas.
No te muevas, ¿ok? No te muevas. EMS está en camino, ¿ok?
The bus is going east.
No te muevas. Okay. He's through the belly button and out his upper buttock.
All you guys found was just that one weapon?
Yeah, the other one's took off running, dude.
With the bags?
Finally, the suspect is brought to the ground. But even now, he struggles. He's shouting, resisting, throwing his body around. Officers restrain him, carefully but urgently. The job isn't done yet.
Agents on scene with that gunshot wound. If you could just start applying pressure, and if you can have your iPad with you, if you can start packing that wound. He's got an exit wound, just put one of those huge gauzes on the back to see if you can stop the bleeding.
Hey, get your alley lights over here.
Hey,
Get your alley lights
right here, bro.
He's talking pretty calm and everything.
Listen to the Bodycam audio. Every breath, every word tells you what officers are feeling. This wasn't supposed to escalate, but in law enforcement, nothing goes to plan. They have to adapt fast.
Here's the driver.
Está bien.
You're okay.
Hey, did they take the other weapons back?
Dude, I only saw him grab that one, and I grabbed the driver. And
Where's the bags and shit? No bags?
I didn't have visual of the bag.
Agent's 19, our comms aren't fucking working.
Tranquilo.
Okay, you're alright. You're alright.
Give me your rag. You got a rag?
It's back there, bro.
Need to get pressure on this exit wound.
Yeah, give me another rag to get pressure on the exit one. Let's go.
Pull security.
Give me another rag. Keep his head up.
With the suspect restrained, medical aid is called. That's standard protocol, but it's also the humane thing. Every suspect, no matter what, has rights. These officers followed through, beginning with aid.
Hold security on the river. Somebody keep security on these two. Driver, that's his driver?
This driver right here. On me.
We patted him down or what?
Yeah, I patted him down.
Hey, give me somebody who's not pulling security to get pressure on his exit wound.
I got it. You got it? Yeah. You cover the front.
Where's the weapon?
The weapon's secured.
That's good. Make sure you get a photo of that shit.
Yeah.
We'll get photos in a second. Make sure EMS is en route.
Yeah, EMS is en route. You're right.
Yeah, everybody just calm down a little bit. We got the scene secured. You got security. We're good. No me aplanes, güey. Okay, está bueno.
Te están ayudando con aplanándote. Nomás cálmate.
I know.
He's right on your guys' ass.
I know.
Hey, you're good. Don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it.
No me aplanes. Okay.
Behind the camera, there's paperwork, procedures, and accountability. Body cams like this are more than just footage. They are evidence, protection, and truth. And now, you're watching it all.
That's all the amount across. It came out this way. Yo! Are you doing anything right now? No,
Camera's rolling.
Your mind's rolling. Ahorita va a llegar. Necesito miar. Last update on the subject. Still conscious, he knows his name, everything.
The officers debrief, securing the scene. Backup arrives. And while this video is almost over, for everyone involved, the story is just beginning. Internal reviews, reports, maybe even court.
No, I'm saying like right now, like getting clean or whatever, if he needs to move a little bit.
Medical aid continued to be provided by Border Patrol agents until the arrival of EMS. The subject was then transported to the hospital for further care. U.S. Customs and Border Protection, Office of Professional Responsibility, and the Cameron County Sheriff's Office responded to the scene. The Federal Bureau
If you found this breakdown informative, subscribe to RealCam Files. We bring you real stories, raw footage, and true encounters, transformed with commentary, so you understand the full picture. Stay alert, stay aware.
Conclusion of the investigation. Links to this video